Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do another unboxing video. I just got my Farfetch box from downstairs. So this is this box. It's small box. It's really thin. Yes, order this one for my friend. Yeah, for my friend again. So I'm going to unbox it and hopefully I do not cut my finger again today. Wish me luck. So I'm going to cut it here. It's really simple one actually, because it's not that the box is small. Yeah, it's a scarf. I can tell you it's a scarf. You probably already know from my main picture of this video. Oh, almost cut my finger. Oh my god! Thank God. They pack it very well, you know. So many tapes. So many tapes, oh my god. Ta-da! Ta-da! This is the receipt. And this is the scarf. Yeah, you can see it from the box. It says farfetch. Yeah. So this is a scarf. It's inside. Yeah. Let me take it out. Yeah, it's a Burberry scarf with a rainbow color patterns on it, and it's together with the classic checks of Burberry, so it's really nice. I mean, it's really nice, as you can see. Huh. I look good. I look good. Maybe I should get one for myself as well. Here's the label. Here's the label. Can you see it? Focus, please focus here. Yes, can you see the label? It says made in Scotland. And 100% cashmere. Do not iron, specially dry clean only. Yeah. This is really nice. This is really nice. I want you guys to see the pattern here. Can you see it? Focus, please. Yes. It's really soft. It's really soft feeling. After discount, this one is like 250 pounds. I can't remember exactly, but something like that. Oh, here's the logo here. It's really cute. The black cloth and gold letters here. I'm just surprised they don't give me like a Burberry package or box or something like that. But anyway, it's a good scarf, and I'm ready to ship it back to China to my friend. Yes. And this is a really good one. I love it. So I'm in my bathroom now. I'm trying this scarf with this shirt, with strip shirt. So as you can, I want to show you guys how you can wear this scarf. You can wear it with different patterns like strips or like wider checks, because there's small checks on the scarf. You better use different kind of checks to match it. So yeah, I really like the shirts anyway. So let me put on another style for you guys. I will try a coat maybe. So the second look is this one. I matched it with my denim jacket, and inside is a blue sweater. Yeah, blue sweatshirt. So as you guys can see, is this a really simple style, but it's really like British style. British style makes you look like really, you know, makes you look like a gentleman. And I really like this style, especially with this scarf. And you can wear it like this. You can take photos like this. And I can take off my jacket. You can see my shirt. It's it's a Burberry logo one. This one is also really popular, the sweatshirt. And when you match the one color top with this scarf, you can do it like this way. Yeah, do it like this way. So the way you wrap your scarf is a little bit more complicated, but the color of your underneath shirt is like more simple, so it gives you overall like a balance, you know. It's not over styling, just really simple, but with a style, you know. Or you can do it like this way. Yeah, which one you prefer? Do you guys want to see another style? Maybe I will do another style. So this is third style, I think. Yeah, I think this is funny. So this is the third style, I think. I think you can wear like a really bright sweater, or a yellow sweater, or a pink sweater, and outside you have to wear like a dark jacket or dark coat to make your sweater not pop up so much, so that it will look like a really good overall style. But if you like, if you don't wear a sweater, if you don't wear a coat or something like that, just like really pop up color sweater or sweatshirt, and with this scarf, you will be looking really bad because the sweater is just too bright, the color is too eye-catching, you know. So your scarf will be invisible, you know, unless you don't want it to be the showcase. I mean, this is a beautiful scarf. You don't want to ruin it, right? And a lot of you guys might notice this sweater. I got it from ASOS, and yeah. Have I posted unboxing video of ASOS last time? But this one's just way too big. I have to return it. It's so long. It's already reached my knee. It's small size, so I cannot keep it. But it's a really good example that you should not wear this sweater with this scarf. It's just too much. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching me. I'm going to sleep. So yeah, today's video is a little bit short because I only have one thing to unpack. So please let me know if you like this video, or if you like this scarf, or do you prefer the classic ones without rainbow on it. So please let me know, and I will be coming with another video. Yeah, soon, maybe tomorrow. You never know, right? Please subscribe to my channel and also follow my Instagram. Love you guys. Bye bye.